Nature is a great and world's best teacher, as we learn many things from nature. Nature teaches us how to become patient, kind, and many more. The best lesson that we learn from the nature is to be a giver rather than the receiver. Nature gives us many things like sunshine, rain, food, water, season, etc. Each thing teaches us as sun teaches us to shine in our life and moon teaches us how to be calm and shine even in the darkness and trees teach us how to share our shelter. It is the best and great teacher for each and everyone who wishes to learn from nature. Subscribe English Boli for more videos. Thanks for watching.